Welcome everyone. In the last class we have discussed about baddies, which is management concept. So till now we have covered RICE, reports, interfaces, convergence and enhancements. So today I will start the first forms. So previously they were working on SAP script, but nowadays it is outdated. We are not using SAP script now. We are using Smartforms. Okay, and advanced technology is Adobe Forms. But this Adobe Forms will come under WebDAM Pro. This is a different module. Okay, we are learning ABAP course, right? So like that, WebDAM Pro is one more module. Okay, so in that module we can learn about Adobe Forms. Okay, so in ABAP course we can learn about Smart Forms or SAP script. But SAP script we are not using nowadays, so we will go for Smart Forms. First of all, what is this form? What is the use of this form? What is the use of Smart Forms, SAP script, or Adobe Forms like that? So if you want to create any business documents, like some payslips will be there. Okay, after getting salary, so company will provide some payslip. So in that one, they will maintain employee number and bank account details, PAN details, salary details. They will maintain all the details. Okay, this is one. We can generate, we can develop this one through smartphones only. You are purchasing something from Flipkart or Amazon like that. At the time, they will generate one billing document. Okay. So in that one, they will maintain the billing number and customer address and ship to address and what is the material you have purchased, the material number, description, and how much quantity you are ordering, and what is the discount for that one, and what is the delivery charges, and what is the total amount. So these all information you are getting in one format, right? So this can we can develop these type of things in smartphones. Here, smartphones mainly three concepts are there. So if you want to work on smartphones concept, then we have to work on three things. First of all, one program, DAMPRO program. I mean, here, for example, I want to display some billing information. Okay, I will take some sample billing information. Something like this. Okay, something invoice is there. Okay, here they are maintaining something address, and here bill to address. Okay, and here a description what they are purchasing and what is the amount, total amount, what is the units and total amount. Okay, something. This is some invoice. Okay. So in this format, I want to develop one form. Okay, at that time we have to get to know how many tables are participating here. Okay, here the customer information is coming. So the customer information will come from KNA1 table. Okay, and here billing information is coming. Okay, so the material description, material description will come from MAKT table, and material details, how much quantity, rate, total amount. So these all things will come from BBRP. Okay, this is billing, right? For billing, BBRP table will come. Okay, so first of all we have to get to know how many tables are participating here. Okay, and select queries, we have to fetch the data from the tables, right? So these all things we have to write in our program. Here program is there, right? Normal AC38, how we will create one program, same way. Okay, we have to write, if you have any select options, or if you have any parameters, whatever it is. Okay, you can give all the details, and you have to write the select query as normal program only, but don't display that one. Okay, but displaying some layout will be there. Okay, just we have to paste the data in the program. Just we have to paste the data. Okay, from KNA1 table I will fetch some customer information, and some MAKT table from material description information, and VBRP, from VBRP we can fetch billing information. Okay, so these all information. Okay, this all information I will pass to Smartform. Okay, the select queries and looping statements and calculation part, all the things will come in program only. Okay, after fetching all the data, we we have to send the data to Smartforms. Okay, a Smartform is some designing, how it is coming here. Okay, something here invoice is coming here, something date, something invoice number. Okay, the top they are displaying something, company name and customer bill to information, and some table is coming. Okay, in the table first heading is coming, some lines and columns. Okay, and something total discount something. So this is one designing. Okay, we have to design like that. In the smart form we have to design like that. We have to keep some tables here, some rows and columns, something, some black color I want for the columns, and something background color something is coming here. So these type of all things. Okay, we have to design these things in smart forms. Okay, so if you design the smart form and activate the smart form, at that time automatically one function module will generate like this. Okay, so first of all we have to design the screen. Okay, we have to design the screen. For smart form we have to design. So if you activate the smart form, automatically it will generate one function module. Okay, so by using this function module, okay, function module is generating here, right? So I want to pass the data, so I'm fetching something data in the program, and I have to pass this data to smart form. How can we pass? By using this function module. Okay, so if we see one simple smart form, then we can understand how is it possible like that. Okay. First of all I will go for one simple uh, smart form, like I want to pass some customer information. Okay, customer information I want to pass to the smart form. So first of all I have to create one program. In AC38 I will create one program. Okay, and here this is smart form, right? And this is executable program only. If you want to provide any package you can give, and the TR also it will ask you. First of all I will give one parameter here. Okay, I want to give one parameter, that is customer number. So parameter p underscore puno type kna1 hyphen puno. Okay, just I am taking one customer number. For that particular customer number, I want to generate one smartphone. Okay, now I want to fetch the data. I want to fetch the data from kna1 table. Select puno. Here I am writing some little bit different select query. I will let you know. Something information. Customer number. This is customer number. Customer name. Region or state. This is country. This is postal code. Okay, I am fetching this all information from KNA1 table and I am passing into IT KNA1. But here I did not declare IT KNA1 till now. Okay, I did not declare it. Internal table I did not declare. Here I am using some inline declarations. Okay, so it is little bit advanced concept. Okay, so if the version is above 7.4 version, then it will support inline declarations. Okay, inline declarations means so not required to declare the internal tables, work areas or variables, these are things. Okay, directly we can write the select queries. Okay, here I am writing select query, select punar. After that one I am passing comma. Okay, but for normal select query we should not write comma. Okay, we should not uh, different mean after field name we should not pass comma, but here I am using some inline declarations concept and this is the HANA database. Okay, so here inline declarations concept it will work. Okay, sometimes if you go to the real time, if you are working on in any company at that time, sometimes so you may, if you guys may write a select queries in this form also. Okay, they don't declare the internal tables, work areas and variables like that, directly they will use, but here they are using something comma. Okay, field name comma, customer comma, name one comma, what is your own comma, so like that I am giving commas for the fields but not for the last field. Okay, I am not giving comma for the last field, this is the last field. Okay, and from kna1 table into at the date data I am taking here. Okay, at the date data, because I did not declare the internal table, right? So I want to declare and I want to fill the data at a time. Okay, I want to declare the internal table as well as I want to fill the data in the internal table in a single shot. That is why I am taking here like this at the date data. Okay, at the date data of ITKNA1. This is the internal table. I am declaring one internal table in this select query by using these fields. Okay, by using these fields and the data element, I mean data type and length, so these all will come from kna1 table. Okay, and where Kunar equal to at the date I'm giving here, because I'm applying something inline declarations, right? So something commas I'm using and something at the date data I'm using. That is why I'm applying here at the date. Okay. So you can write normal set query also. I will keep it in comment and I will declare the internal table work area times begin of t by underscore k in one, and the fields I will take like this. Okay. I'm declaring the internal table like this. Okay. First of all, I'm declaring some types, and after that one data, I take a given type table of the type name. Now save it and check it. So there is no error. Okay. But here I'm declaring something internal table, right? But inline declarations came. Okay. In advanced, I mean in latest version. Okay. Inline declarations SAP has introduced. So I will. I don't write. I don't declare any declarations from now onwards. Okay, why we have to declare these all things? So it will be a bit time based, right? So I don't declare these all things directly. I will let the select query like this. Okay, so there is no declarations. Okay, I just kept in comment. Okay, and now save it and check it. There is no error. Okay, so this is the way to apply the inline declarations. Okay, so without declaration we can write the select query and we can pass the internal table name. These all things are possible in inline declaration. Fine, this is fine. Now what is my requirement? I have to pass this customer information. Okay, I have to pass this customer information to smart form. Okay, one layout, I have to design one layout. This is a program. Okay, I have created one program. Now I have to go for smart form. Okay, the smart form I have to design where here something designing is coming here, right? Something designing is coming here. The first row customer name, the second row customer address. Okay, the third row customer city, fourth row customer postal code. So like this I have to display the data here. Okay, I will go for that one. Each and everything, each and every line, some centimeters and millimeters also we have to design here, right? I'm saving and activating this one. Now I will go for smart form. Okay, I want to design one smart form here. So the transaction code, the transaction code to designing the that form is smart forms only. Okay, Smartforms /o Smartforms. Okay, the transaction code is also same thing, Smartforms only. Okay, and click on enter button. Here it is asking something form. Okay, this is a smart form. Now I will give something name for this one. That is smart form. Something smart form name I am giving here. Okay, something smart form name I am giving here, and click on create button. So if you click on create button, it is coming like this, and click on save button. Okay, so just I have created one smart form. That's it, but I did not do anything till now. Okay, just I have executed one smart form transaction, and I have given something name, and I just click on create button, and I click on save button. Okay, the smart form name is saved here. Okay. So if you see here something, this is a smart form name. Okay, this is a smart form name. Here two folders are coming: global settings and pages and windows. Okay, so if you expand this one, global settings, okay, here we have to write something declarations like that. Okay, for example, here three nodes are there, like three the symbol is coming like notepad like that, right? So the global settings, three options are available: form attributes, form interface, and global definitions. Okay, I'm double clicking on form attributes here. So if you come to form attributes, okay, here we can get to know the description. Okay, so what is the use of this form? The description I'm giving here, and who is created, and when it is created, what is the time, who is changed, and when it is changed. Last time, who is changed this one, and in which package we have saved this smart form, in which language it is saved. Okay, so these all information. Some output options are coming like this. Okay, so these all information we can get from form attributes. Okay, who created, when it is created, what is the package, in which language it is created. So these all information we can get from form attributes. Okay, and coming to the next one, form interface. Double click on it. Here it is asking something: import, export, tables, and exceptions like that. Okay, and automatically something some internal tables or work areas are asking here. Okay, something work areas or internal tables. It is showing something in import. Okay, and in export also something is coming. Okay, and tables something is coming, and exceptions are there, nothing there. Okay, in acceptance something exceptions are coming. Okay, fine. So what is the use of this one? Okay, form interface is there, right? So what is the use of this one? Okay, and here I'm creating something program here, right? Here I'm creating something program, and I'm fetching something data here. Okay, I'm fetching the data, and I'm keeping the data in one internal table, that is itkna1. Now I want to transfer this itkna1 information to the smartphone. Okay, this itkna1 data I want to move to smartphone. So whatever the data we are passing from program to smartphone, either it is work area information or internal table information or single variable information, whatever it is. Okay, so if you want to pass the data from uh, driver program or normal program, actually we will call it as driver program. Okay, coming to smartphones concept, so we will call, in AC38 we are creating a program, right? So this program we will call like driver program. Okay, so whatever the data we are passing from driver program to smartphone, so those all declarations. Okay, those declarations we have to maintain here. Okay, if you are passing something variable, single variable, okay, only one field information you are passing from driver program to uh, smart form. Then we have to maintain in import tab. Okay, if you are passing something work area information, one line information from driver program to smart form, then also we have to declare that work area in the import tab, because the smart form has to import. Okay, the smart form has to import the data from the driver program. So here also we have to declare the internal tables or work areas like that. In import tab, you can declare only variables or work areas. Okay, and export is there. Okay, so this is different one. If you want to, so something data is coming here. Okay, something output is coming like this. Invoice is generating like this. Okay, if you want to send this invoice to something mails, or if you want to send this one to someone in an Excel sheet like that, then we have to come to the export tab. Okay, we have to send the data to outside of the smartphone. Then we will come to export tab, and tables tab is there. Okay, so if you want to import, okay, if you want to import any internal table information from driver program to the smartphone, then we have to declare those internal tables in the tables tab. Okay, so you already know about this one, the function module concept. Okay, so whatever you are declaring here, when import, export, tables, exceptions, okay, it is nothing but one function module only. In the back end, it will generate one function module. Okay, let me and one more thing is there, right? Global definitions. In the farm interface, okay, the form interface, you have to declare the internal tables or work areas or single variables, so the data which is coming from driver program to smart form, so those declarations only we have to maintain here. Other declarations we should not declare here. Okay, so whatever the data is coming from driver program to smart form, those declarations, okay, those internal table declarations, work areas or single variables, we have to declare in form interface. Other declarations we should not declare here. And here global definitions is coming. Okay, global definitions, these are here if you want to declare any internal tables extra. Okay, for example, ITKN1 is coming. Okay, ITKN1 is coming from that driver program. By using that internal table, I want to develop, I want to pass into another internal table. Okay, ITKN1, I am fetching the data from driver program to smartphone, I am passing the data, that is fine. Okay, but by using this internal table, ITKN1 internal table, I want to fill one more internal table in this smartphone. Okay, so the one more, the second internal table is not coming from driver program, right? So this is internally in the smartphone only. I want to uh, declare the internal table. Okay, the smartphone only I want to declare the internal table. At that time, I will come to the global definitions. This is a local one. In this smartphone, I am declaring some local declarations. Okay, something internal tables or work areas or single variables, whatever it is. Here, if you see global data is there. Okay, here only you can declare internal tables and work areas and single variables. All things we can declare here only. In the global data only we can declare here. Okay, and something types is there. Okay, types is there. So how we are declaring the internal normal program?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in global, we are declaring tables, right? In
Yes.
form interface also, we can
Hmm.
declare tables now.
Yes. Yes. That's what I'm telling.
That's confusing.
Okay, I will let you know. Here I'm fetching something data ITKNA1 customer information. I'm fetching the data here. Okay, so if you want to pass this data, okay, the program information, the program data I am passing to smartphone. At that time we have to go for farm interface. Okay, Here we have to declare the internal tables. In the tables tab, we have to declare the internal table. Okay, the data is coming fine. The data is coming to the smart form, that is fine. Okay. Now I want to declare some more internal tables. Okay, the internal table, I am not fetching the data from driver program. Okay, in the smart form, in the local, I want to declare some internal tables work areas. So at that time, we cannot declare those things in the form interface. Okay, so interface is coming. Interface means the data is coming from one more system or one more program, or the data has to move to outside of the program. Okay, so coming inside or going outside. So this, this information only we have to maintain in form interface. Okay, internally some operations will do. I will design one thing, at that time you can understand what it is. Okay, here global definitions means internally we have to declare some internal tables work areas. Fine. If I create one smart form, then you can understand. First of all, I'm discussing what is global settings and pages and windows. What is the use of this one? I'm discussing. I will let you know. What is the use of that one? I will let you know. So coming to the pages and windows. Here we have to display something page 1, page 2, page 3 like that, right? So here we have to design the screen. Okay, how it is coming here? How it is coming here? Something, some lines, some horizontal lines, vertical lines, something black color, and something background ash color is coming. So like that it is coming here, right? So this type of designing thing. Okay, something how much length we have to display here. Okay, how many centimeters, how many millimeters we have to take here. Okay, and vertical lines. So second vertical line. So what is the length here? Okay, so in between of first one and second one, what is the length we have to take? And second one and third one, what is the length we have to take? So these all things. Okay, these all things. Some drawing, like drawing only. We have to draw some tables here. So these all things we have to do in pages and windows. This one, pages and windows. Okay, fine. Now I will design the screen now. Okay, I will design the screen. So if you want to design the screen, then we have to come for pages and windows. Okay, so in the pages and windows, page 1 is coming. Okay, so here uh, sometimes we can uh, we will get the invoice some 2-3 pages also, because we can order some more than some 20 items or 30 items like that. At the time they will give you some 2-3 pages also, right? So here also I'm doing same thing here. The page 1 is coming here. In the first page, how you want to display the data. Okay, like that second page also will come, third page, fourth page. Okay, we can create the second page, third page, fourth page. Okay, if you don't want like that, if you want to continue the data, okay, if you want to continue the data in the first page, after that one continuation of second page, continuation of third page. So at that time single page is enough. Okay, page 1 is enough. But sometimes the first page I want to display the data in one way. The second page I want to display the data in one more way. The third page I want to display the data in one more way. So at that time we will go for different pages, page 1, page 2, page 3 like that. Okay, if you don't want like that, okay, so continuation of data, then page 1 is enough. Automatically the page will increase to second page, third page like that. Okay, I will show you that one also. As of now I am taking page 1. By default page 1 is coming here. Fine. Now main is coming here, main window is coming here. Okay, in the page, okay, I'm creating something page here, right? So at the time, so one main window will be there. Window is nothing but like this. Okay, something one box type it is coming here, right? This is one window, main window. Okay, so this is a default window. In this window only we have to design the screen, main screen. So here something data is coming here, right? So this is one window. Okay, this is one window here. So like that some windows are there. Okay, automatically one main window is coming. Some types are there: main window, custom window, and something copies window. Like that, some windows are there. Okay, we will discuss it later. As of now, main window is coming. That is fine. Okay, that is fine. Main window, fine. Main window, secondary window, copies, and final window. Four types of windows are available. Now, here something form painter is there. Okay, something form painter button is there. Click on that button. Okay, it's coming like this. Okay, this is coming like this. This is the main. The name is coming like main, means main window. This is main window. Okay, we have to design the screen here. Okay? We have to design the screen. How we have to design the screen here? So see here, the box is coming like this. Okay, one window is coming like this. Okay? This is the main window. Okay, I will let you know what is the difference between main window and other windows also available, right? Here secondary window is coming, copies window, final window. So I will let you know later. So as of now, I want to display something here, something invoice I want to display. Okay, I want to display in the top as invoice. Okay? So at that time, directly we cannot pass the data here. Okay, directly we can pass the data. So first of all, we have to take one window. So in that window, we have to take one text field. Okay, in that text we can pass the data. Directly we cannot pass the data